Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. The 2025 JCB 4CX is the latest evolution in JCB's renowned backhoe loader series, offering improved performance, efficiency, and versatility. Designed for construction professionals who demand power and precision, this machine stands out with cutting-edge technology, enhanced operator comfort, and superior durability. One of the most notable improvements in the 2025 model is its upgraded engine, which delivers increased power while maintaining fuel efficiency. Equipped with JCB's advanced EcoMAX engine, it meets the latest emission standards without the need for a diesel particulate filter (DPF). This ensures reduced maintenance requirements and lower operating costs, making it an ideal choice for contractors looking to maximize productivity while minimizing expenses. The 4CX also features an advanced hydraulic system that improves cycle times, allowing operators to complete tasks faster and more efficiently. A key highlight of the 2025 JCB 4CX is its four-wheel steering capability, which provides exceptional maneuverability. This feature allows the machine to navigate tight spaces with ease, making it perfect for urban construction sites where space is limited. The ability to switch between two-wheel, four-wheel, and grab steering modes ensures adaptability for various job site conditions, giving operators greater control and flexibility. JCB has also focused on enhancing operator comfort in this latest model. The cab has been redesigned with improved ergonomics, offering a spacious and quieter environment. The intuitive control layout, fully adjustable seating, and climate control system contribute to reduced operator fatigue, allowing for longer and more productive work hours. A state-of-the-art touchscreen display provides real-time machine diagnostics, fuel consumption data, and customizable settings, ensuring that operators can monitor and adjust performance as needed. Durability and reliability remain a core focus for JCB, and the 2025 4CX is built with robust materials designed to withstand the toughest job site conditions. The reinforced boom and dipper provide increased strength, reducing wear and tear over time. Heavy-duty axles and advanced transmission systems ensure that the machine can handle heavy loads with ease while maintaining smooth operation. Versatility is another strong point of the JCB 4CX, as it comes with a range of attachment options that expand its functionality. From buckets and breakers to augers and pallet forks, the machine can be customized to suit different job requirements. The new quick hitch system allows for faster attachment changes, reducing downtime and increasing efficiency on site. Fuel efficiency has been further optimized in the 2025 model, thanks to intelligent power management and auto-idle features that help reduce unnecessary fuel consumption. The Eco mode ensures that the machine delivers power only when needed, contributing to a lower environmental footprint and cost savings over time. Safety has also been prioritized, with the inclusion of improved visibility, LED lighting, and an advanced camera system that enhances the operator's field of view. Anti-slip steps, robust handrails, and an automatic stabilizer system further enhance safety for both the operator and those working around the machine. Overall, the 2025 JCB 4CX is a game-changer in the backhoe loader segment. Its combination of power, efficiency, and innovation makes it a top choice for construction professionals worldwide. Whether tackling urban projects, road maintenance, or heavy-duty excavation work, this machine delivers unmatched performance, reliability, and value for money. With JCB's commitment to continuous improvement, the 4CX remains a leading choice for those who demand the best in backhoe loader technology.